Hey everyone, welcome to Master of None Garage. My name's Andrew, and I'm on my way to get something that's gonna make this Mercury Comet into a Mercury Comet. Merca. I was initially gonna put this underneath the fender, and then I thought about cutting the fender bigger, and so it would kind of be like a old stock car or something. But then I thought to myself, and I said, self, why don't you just go all out and cut the fenders but not use this tire, because that would be boring. Go ahead and use this tire. So I think this tire is way more fitting. Gonna have a lot of cutting to do. This thing's gonna poke out quite a bit. So we'll just go with it and see how it looks. I did one side. It pokes out excessively, but I think we're going for that cartoon look. I kind of like it, actually. Yeah, I'm a big fan. You guys might think it's way excessive, but we're kind of going for crazy with this build. I mean, it does have a mini fridge in the grill. Dude, I love that. That's so good. And it fits perfect. The gap is like even all the way around. It's like I planned it that way or something. I don't know. Anyways, I'm gonna do the other side off camera, and then what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna cut this right here all the way down, and then so that way this will be flat, and it actually won't look like a car fender. We won't have to deal with the radio antenna. Yeah. I'm gonna do that after I do the other side. For some reason, it didn't record. Yeah. Anyways, this is the first side. I tied in. Still got to do some finishing welding, and still have to do some welding right here. I'm gonna finish up this one, and I'm gonna do that one. I think I can start wiring the thing up and mounting these tires permanently. I gotta go get some all thread for those, but we're moving right along. All right, so I got the first piece all fitted in there, and it's like permanently attached. Just need to tighten up the bolts, but it's pretty clean. I like it. It's solid. What I did was I have three 10 millimeters with the nuts on the back, and I actually bent up this back piece, this trim piece. I bent it up like this so it's flush with this, and then on the back I welded kind of like tabs, kind of like this, but underneath. So basically it just slides in there and locks down and bolts down. I'm definitely going to do the other side now and get that done, and then move on to the next thing. All right, so I got the covers all done. Also, I took this plate off the desk, and it's no longer a Comet. It's a desk. So this is what it looks like. I think it looks pretty clean. I like the way it looks, honestly. I think it looks good. Now I'm going to get these headlights all squared away, and then I think we can start painting this thing. Yeah, I'm going to paint the thing. But it's not going to be what you think. You know, the tires kind of scream stock car. So I'm going to do something along those lines. Yeah. Yeah. Yep. Got this little switch over here. Flip that on. It turns on. And the outer lights turn on. But that's the way it looks with the headlights on. It really brings it to life. And I like how dim they are, so they're not going to blind anybody. So, thank you for watching. And I'm going to leave you with the final product for this thing. Thanks for watching. If you like what you saw today, please like, share, and subscribe. Leave a comment and tell me what are your thoughts on this whole thing. I think it turned out pretty cool. But go down there in the comment section and crush my dreams. Okay, bye.